In this video, we will discuss the term hyperbole and understatement. Introduction. Hyperbole and understatement are powerful literary devices that authors use to create emphasis, humor, and irony in their works. These figures of speech, known as tropes, allow writers to push the boundaries of reality or downplay the significance of events or ideas. This video explores the use of hyperbole and understatement in literature, their effects on the reader, and their significance in different genres and time periods. The figure of speech hyperbole, derived from the Greek overshooting, involves extravagant exaggeration to emphasize a point. Writers use hyperbole to make a dramatic impact on readers and evoke emotional responses. In contrast, understatement, known as meiosis in Greek, involves representing something as much less significant than it truly is, often with ironic effects. Hyperbole in literary works. Hyperbole can be found across various literary works, from ancient epics to modern poetry and prose. In Shakespeare's Othello, Iago uses hyperbolic language to gloat about the harm he has caused Othello, indicating that no medicine can alleviate the pain Othello feels. Similarly, Ben Jonson's love poem, Drink to Me Only with Thine Eyes, uses hyperbolic compliments to extol the beauty of the speaker's lady. Andrew Marvell employs ironic hyperboles in To His Coy Mistress, humorously suggesting that his love would grow slowly if he had an eternity at his disposal. Understatement and its ironic impact. Understatement, on the other hand, involves downplaying the significance of events or ideas, often with ironic intentions. Jonathan Swift's A Tale of Tub uses understatement to deliver a savage critique of society, describing a horrifying event in a matter-of-fact manner to heighten its impact. Mark Twain's famous remark about exaggerated reports of his death showcases comical irony, revealing the absurdity of rumors and the fallibility of human perception. Litorts, the art of simplicity. Litorts, a specific form of understatement, involves affirming something by negating its contrary. Writers often use litorts for ironic or sarcastic effects. In Anglo-Saxon poetry like Beowulf, litorts is employed to create grim irony, as when Hrothgar describes a ghastly mere as not as pleasant place. Significance and effects. Hyperbole and understatement serve crucial functions in literature. Hyperbole injects intensity and emotion, allowing readers to experience the full impact of events or emotions. Understatement, on the other hand, can create irony, humor, or provide subtle commentary on characters or situations. Conclusion. Hyperbole and understatement, as literary devices, play significant roles in shaping the impact of literature on readers, from the exaggerated praises of love to grimly ironic descriptions of events. These figures of speech add depth, humor, and emotion to literary works. Authors continue to employ hyperbole and understatement to captivate their audiences and convey complex meanings with flair and finesse. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.